when two friends are beefing or arguing or at each other's throat, whatever the case may be, and you are their mutual friend, stay neutral. Mind your business. They both are your business. You should not be going back and telling one what the other one is saying. You should not be instigating stuff between the two, because at the end of the day, that makes you a bad friend, and then you're going to put yourself into it, and now you're going to lose both of them as a friend. What's going on, y'all? It's AyooTravv, and I'm back with another video. So, just check the description box below for everybody part of the Epic Empire. Let me know AyooTravv sent you. I'm going to say grace. Father God, I come to you today to ask you to watch over this food. Please let it be a nourishment to my body. Please let me digest the food properly. In your name I pray. Amen. Amen. One more time. Amen. Yo, excuse me. I got some wings, some hot wings. Got Philly cheesesteak and ranch. Y'all already know. But let me just start eating before I tell you what I'm talking about. Oh, I've been craving wings. I got 20 wings from cheesesteak. Some of these wings are small and I don't like it. They're good though. Y'all know AyooTravv know how to clean some bones. I don't play about my chicken. I don't play. Did I get y'all back? I hope so. Well, if I didn't, I'm sorry. Y'all might hear the heat. I just walked in the house from work. It was cold. It was cold. I'm gonna dip the Philly in the ranch. I didn't expect that to get everywhere. It was good though. The bread usually a little bit softer, you know. But I'm fair. Still good. Anyway, let me grab a drink. Now, y'all did, like, a while back I did a Basketball Wives review. I was just so appalled. And then I did the video that I put out yesterday was the Love and Hip Hop Hollywood reunion review. And a few people asked me to do kind of do a little bit more, like a few more reviews. So today we gonna review the Housewives of Atlanta. As y'all know, they're airing season 12 of the Real Housewives of Atlanta. And it's been drama from start to finish on every episode at this point. One of the biggest things right now is so Cynthia and Nene used to be best friends. Now they're not friends anymore. Apparently Cynthia was talking about Nene and they have a mutual friend in common. And that friend recorded Cynthia talking about Nene and went back and played it for Nene. Now I got a couple problems with that. You know, I've really been craving these wings. Now, if you have two friends that are going at it, stay out of it. Stay out of it. Because that becomes an issue. At the end of the day, we are all grown, bro. We shouldn't have to pick sides. I shouldn't have to say, oh, well, you're my friend, you are my friend longer than you are my friend, so since y'all are into it, I have to go be your friend. No, I can be both y'all friends. Excuse me. When two friends are beefing or arguing or at each other's throat, whatever the case may be, and you are their mutual friend, stay neutral. Mind your business. They both are your business. You should not be going back and telling one what the other one is saying. You should not be instigating stuff between the two, because at the end of the day, that makes you a bad friend, and then you're going to put yourself into it, and now you're going to lose both of them as friends. I think that's very problematic. So, somebody, like I said, somebody that allegedly is friends with both of them, recorded Cynthia talking trash. Now, I just feel like whatever I say, whatever I say behind somebody's back, I'm going to say it to your face. And it's not even that I'm talking behind your back. It's just that at that moment I felt like saying it before I say it to your face. And it's not because I'm scared or anything like that, or I want anybody's opinion or nothing like that. I don't care. I'm a one-man army. So record me saying whatever it is I said, because when you confront me about it, I want to make sure that I remember exactly what I said and how I said it. Because I don't need nobody going back and saying that I said something this way. Because if I said it, I meant it. And if I meant it, I said it. So that's my take on that. How miserable do you have to be to record your friend talking about your other friend? As if it's probably not already recorded anyway, because y'all on reality TV. It's gonna get out at some point. Are you a undercover producer or something? And this whole thing with Portia and Eva and Kenya and Eva, I don't like it. I like all three of them. But I will say, sometimes Eva kind of do a little funky two-step. Now her shade, it be lethal, it be brutal. Ugh. But own it. Don't try to cover it up. And I think that's the issue with Eva. Or sometimes it's like she'll throw a rock in and hide her hand. So I don't get it. But Eva said some stuff that Portia ain't happy with, and Portia said she can't wait till the reunion. And I don't blame them. Like, I keep telling y'all, leave the kids out of it. Whatever beef or whatever you got with somebody's parent, keep that between adults. The kids are off limits, y'all. So when she said that Portia's, daughter looked like the daddy with a wig, I don't know if she's trying to be shady or what, but they can come out being shady. We gotta tread lightly when we say stuff about people's kids. But you know, one thing I don't like about Nene is she likes to do stuff, shady stuff, and then we'll play the victim. And say, oh, people did this, they did that. But what did you do? What did you do? And then she always talk about how if she wasn't on the show, it wouldn't be good, blah, blah, blah. That's a bold-faced lie beneath the elites. Because Nene had absolutely nothing to do with season 9. And that was one of the best seasons. That was one of the best seasons. You know, she had nothing to do with it. So, it's like, I think, Nene is good for TV. Don't get me wrong, but at some point you gotta know when your time is up. And I feel like her time is up on Housewives. She's not needed. She's not. Yes, she adds to the storyline, but like I said, season 9, she was nowhere to be found, and it was a bomb season from start to finish. And Marlo. I commend Marlo. And say why. Marlo's smart. People like to make jokes about Marlo not having a peach, but at the end of the day, Marlo is still getting paid to be on that show, and she gets a lot of camera time, and she's not a peach holder, so she doesn't have to reveal as much of her life as the rest of them do that's holding a peach. Tell me that ain't smart. Excuse me. A lot of times she gets to pick and choose what she wants to show. And she's still getting a lot of camera time. Still get the green screen confessionals. Still gets to go on every trip. How is she losing? Somebody let me know. Marlo, whoever your lawyer is that negotiated that, send them my way. But y'all know I love Kandi. So that's that. It was sad to see like Kandi and his daughter, not Kandi, Todd and his daughter at odds. Because they didn't, I don't think he came into her life until like later in her teen years. So, I ain't gonna lie, to me it was a lot odd anyway. But that's just me. But then again, if my dad was making that check, and he was dating somebody that's making that check, and somebody outdoor, at 27, I'd probably go live with him too. Pay up. I'm gonna pay what you owe. Period. But what I love about Todd is that he doesn't spoil her. He make her work for whatever she wants. Because it shows discipline. There's a lot of celebrity children. They ain't really gonna have discipline or a work ethic like their parents had. Sorry, the camera was focusing. But a lot of them not gonna have the work ethics that their parents had because their parents came from nothing and they wanted to make themselves something, so they worked extra hard. But these celebrity kids are being born with diamond-studded pacifiers. So a lot of people learn to work hard by struggling. And if they ain't struggling, they don't know what it's like to fail. Know what I mean? I ain't gonna eat them 4 little wings. My mouth is hot. I told them extra hot and they murdered. Extra hot. Alright. I see you. It was good though. But y'all already know my camera about to die. Check the description box below for everybody part of the Epic Empire. Let them know AyooTravv sent you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that red button right there. Turn the gray so you can be notified when I drop a new video on your timeline. And then if you hit that bell, it's gonna come to your phone and let you know every time I drop a new video, y'all. But go back to the description box, scroll down to the bottom of that box. You'll see Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, all that. Y'all know, leave me a comment on Instagram, send me a DM, follow me, add me, do whatever. Leave me a comment on here, do whatever once again. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see, what you don't want to see, what you want to see, what you don't want to see, what you want me to eat, what you don't want me to eat, all that good jazz. Let me know something. So I always tell y'all some feedback is better than no feedback unless you're trying to troll something. Troll right back with you. But other than that, it's been real. AyooTravv is out before my camera died. Peace.